and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. I hope that you are having a great day today, but most importantly, I hope that you are staying safe and healthy. So for today's video, I have a plant haul for you. So today I went to a local nursery here in Singapore and I have gotten some very nice succulents, and that's why I want to share them with you. So yeah, I went to the local nursery today, and I will just usually visit over there from time to time to see what they have and what could I buy from the nursery. So yeah, so today I went there and I was looking through the stocks, and there's nothing really much that is new from the last time I visited. I think the last time I visited was last week. So I was going through the succulents available, and to be honest, there wasn't really something new or something that catches my eye. I actually just chose one just to have something to buy and that my trip will not be wasted. So I just got this plant. Yeah, so I just chose this plant and I was like, okay, just let me just get something so that I won't feel really bad that I came home empty-handed. So yeah, so I chose this plant, and when I saw it, I thought like, okay, I can grow it at home, and then yeah, maybe I can propagate some of the leaves. Yeah, so I was about to leave the nursery, but then I passed by the back door or the back area and I saw other succulents, and I was like, I was already outside of the succulents at that time, but then I had to ask the staff and I was like, hey, are those succulents for sale? Are those reserved? That's why they're here. But they said that yes, it was for sale, it just came, and that they have not really put them to the shelves. So I asked if I can come in and choose some succulents, and yeah, they were very kind. The lady there was very kind, and she said, okay, you just can come back in and you can have a look. So yes, I went back in and I bought a couple of succulents, and let me share those succulents with you. All right, the second one is this type of calancho. I'm not really sure of the specific ID, but yeah, this is the second one. And I also got two big clusters of, I can't say it's big, maybe a medium clusters of Pseudomodolphi. So I was showing these succulents that I got to my family, and my sister said that these are not Pseudomodolphis, but they are Echeveria myelin. So yes, of course she's correct, and yeah, these are Echeveria myelin. Thank you, sister. Yeah, there you go. Okay, so I got two clusters for these. There are more, but yeah, I mean more of the clusters, but yeah, I just got two of them. And lastly, these are the ones that I'm very happy about. Let me show you. I had to move the other succulents because I don't have a frame for it, because I wanted to show you the box. So yep, I have a box full of red succulents. Yes, here you go. So yeah, I saw this. These are, I think, Graptoveria bashful. And yeah, okay, let me take them from the box and I'm going to show you these succulents. Here they are. Look at how colorful these are, and look how vibrant the color is. Well, yeah, here in Singapore, because of the climate, we can't really maintain a very colorful or a very vibrant color of succulents. So whenever I see succulents like this, I'm just really on a high. Yes, okay, so let me give you a close-up look of each of the pots. Okay, they are stacked, they are so intact, so I will be repotting all of them, because as you can see, the shapes are being deformed because they have outgrown their pot. Yep, okay, yes, you can see some dried leaves and some black ants over there, which is very normal for some plants that you get from the nurseries. So it is really also very important that you isolate these succulents and don't put them directly with the rest of your succulents, because you'll just never know what's in there. And just to protect the rest of your collection, the rest of your plants, just isolate them. And yeah, I'm going to do that for these succulents. I'm going to repot them, and I'm going to take out the soil as much as I can. Yep, and that is just protecting my garden, my collection as well. So yeah, I'm really happy with this. Look at that, that is so big. So yeah, these are the plants that I got from the nurseries today, and I am really happy. It's not every day, or it's not even every week, that I get these types of succulents. And for my clients, yes, you'll get these succulents in your arrangements. So yes, these are the succulents that I got from my local nurseries. I hope that you have enjoyed this video and that these succulents gave you a smile today. They definitely gave me a smile, and I haven't stopped smiling ever since. So yeah, I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. I have another unboxing video coming up. So yeah, I hope to see you on my next video. Bye, stay safe everyone.